I'd hope you get him. He was literally at your toes. All right, hold on. Yep. Just... Do you need to get... Oh, that's a bigger one, too.
I think I got him in the head. Oh, no, it's through. Oh, it's through all the way.
Oh, nice.
Right in the eyeball.
Jeepers creepers, Sam.
Hey, I got him, though. There we go.
No, that's just rude.
Hey, not bad, man.
All right, hold him. Nice.
Oh.
Good job. High five.
There you go.
Not now.
Jeez, killed him.
That was a good shot all the way through. He's upset.
Yeah, he's just sitting there eating.
Come on.
Yeah, that one went all the way through for sure. There you go. See, you hit him in the head too.
Arrow was all the way through.
Jeez, that's a big one.
Ow, ow, ow. Hey, stop. There we go.
Nice.
Another big one. Yes. Ah. Sweet. We're killing it today, guys. We are killing it today, Sam.
Literally.
Literally killing
Literally.
it. It's
What?
massive.
You have 3, I have 2.
Jeez, yeah. This is a nice one too. Sweet. All right, let's just keep going. Let's keep the energy going. Sam, you want to come get this? I don't have. I have 7 pajama pants on. Because Mom was like, Jack, there's some down there. Mom, I got one. I have to recruit Sam to get it. I'm in my pajamas. All right, I got one. I literally got one. I yelled for my brother, who was at his friend's house, to come help me because I am literally in my pajama pants. Ginger, you stay out of the water. So my brother's over here. Go get it, Sam. Fetch. No, you stay. You stay.
You said fetch him.
He is deep. He was way out there. He was at the edge of the weed line. Nice. Oh, that went all the way through him the other way because there's where it started.
Yeah, I'm gonna take him.
You want to take him to shore?
Yeah, get the line off or over the. What should we call it?
Sweet. Look at him. Nice in the weeds. Well, here he is. The late night carp hunt. The sun is setting, but the carp are still alive and kicking, honest. Swimming, I guess.
No.
Not alive and kicking, but they were. If you flop and get blood on my pajama pants.
I'll lick him. Oh, yeah. You got him? Don't go over the dog. Yeah.
Nice. Came out here at 8:30, whatever time it is, at night in my pajama pants to come get one last carp before going off to bed. So I guess now this is the end of the video. Sweet. Well, thanks for watching. Sam will give you the outro.
All right, guys, we're back up from the lake after a great day of boat fishing. I think I got 2, Jack got 2. It was a great day. See you guys in the next video.